for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're just here for yung mga math, language, logic lessons natin, this is not the video for you. I'll just link one of my latest videos dito sa taas sa I button for you guys. This one is different. It's for you guys who keep sending me stuff to open and stuff to enjoy. And I just want to thank you guys. Last time kasi Team Lyqa Japan sent me a big box of goodies from Japan. And when I opened yung ating Star Wars na Darth Vader figure, na-enjoy daw nila yon. And they had fun watching me open that box. So I'm making another video like that for you guys. So if you haven't seen yung video natin on that, ang ganda-ganda nung Darth Vader talaga na figure. If you want to look at that, you can click right here dito sa I. Ililink ko rin siya dyan sa taas. Now, this video is just for this box right here. So that's it. We're just going to open this. I'm going to see how it works and I'm going to try it out. I actually bought a few things to help prepare me for this unboxing and I'll show you the entire process. Alright? Okay, so ito yung Despicable Me na candy dispenser. Nakatalikod lang yung ating Minion sa likod, pero it's a candy dispenser. It's a Minion's candy dispenser. Much like yung mga nasa malls na nakikita natin. Now, when I was younger, just a bit of a side note, mahilig talaga kami sa mga ganon. Yung mga gumball machines na tinatawag. Yung lalagyan mo ng 5 piso, tapos iikot mo siya. Now, nung batang-bata kami sa Evergotesco Commonwealth, naalala ko yun. Dati 2 pesos lang yun. So, lalagay ka ng 2 pesos sa gilid. Pero ngayon, 5 pesos na yata yun per gumball. And dati malaki talaga yung gumball eh. Or maliit lang siguro ako. Now, let's open this box. So, dito sa taas, we have a Minion. I think this is Bob. Si Bob yata to eh. Yan. Medyo may pagka-ASMR yung ating video ngayon. So, there are 2 colors dito sa ganitong klaseng toy candy dispenser. No? We have it in black and in yellow. And the one that I have here is the one na black. So, ito yung black na Minion na candy dispenser. So, meron siyang, tanggalin natin siya yung plastic. So, meron siyang topper na Minion here. Ayan. I think this is Bob, no? Si Bob kasi yung isa lang ang mata. And naka-jail outfit siya kasi black yung aking dispenser. For the yellow dispenser, ang kasama is a regular Minion na naka-jumper, yung jumper nila na blue. Pero this one, ito yung kanyang suot. Tapos, meron siyang container for the candy na meron nung logo ni Groot. Yan yung G na sign. Tapos ito yung pangtakip niya. So, i-screw mo lang siya sa ibabaw. Yan. Para ganyan yung itsura niya. Alright. So, to fill this actually, kasi hindi ko alam how it works, I actually bought a bunch of candy from SNR. Saktong-sakto nag-sale sila this weekend. So, nakabili ako ng M&M. Tingnan natin kung ilang bags are required to fill that. Nakakasad lang kasi font size lang yung merong M&M. So, font size lang yung meron tayo. Medyo nagiging habit na yung mga nagbabagsak na mga gamit dito sa series natin ng unboxing, in fairness. So, lalagay lang natin yung mga MM sa loob. Parang ASMR na rin, no? I already had 4 packs nung fun size and hindi pa siya nakakagalaw kahit an inch dun sa ilalim. So, we obviously need more. Ika-fast forward na lang natin. And since we're just almost halfway there, we'll just open another bag. Now, meron pang onting room pero I think hindi ko nabubuksan yung 3rd bag ng fun size natin na M&M. So, I probably would just give that away. Medyo puno na rin naman siya, no? Is-screw na natin yung pinaka-top. Ayan. Alright, so there you have it. Ito yung ating Minions na candy dispenser. There's a little knob dito sa may harap. Dito may lever dito. Ay! 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 So I guess you have to do it really gently. Paunti-unti lang. Kasi if not, lalabas siya lahat. So thank you so much, Team Lyqa Japan, for sending this over to me. I appreciate this a lot. This will sit sa aking table all the time. And magiging part na siya ng aking productivity routine. Kasi every time I do something or I accomplish one of my tasks for the day, I usually reward myself with a little something. And I think this will be the perfect reward for me. So I'll just pull the lever every time na meron akong nagawang bagong task siguro. So thank you so much and I appreciate this a lot. Lalo na dahil Minion siya. So salamat po sa inyo. And again, you don't need to send me these stuff. Pero when you do, sobrang special sa akin. So sa lahat ng nagpapadala ng mga gifts, nagpapadala ng mga letters or notes, thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot. More than the value, yung sentiment and yung effort that you put into making stuff for me or writing letters or anything like that. I appreciate that a lot. So, I keep all of them really close dito sa akin. Nandito sila sa wall. Nandito sila sa room ko kasi I really want to see them all the time. So, thank you so much. And God bless sa inyo lahat. If you want more content like this, just let me know. I have a bunch of other gifts that I want to open on air sa inyo dahil I want to show how much I appreciate what you send over to me. So, thanks guys. And yun, nakakaiyak lang. That you would go as far as mailing me stuff like this just to make me happy. So I'm really grateful that I get to be part of your journey, not just in your test-taking life, but in your real life. And thank you for making me part of your life as well and part of your family. Thanks guys, and that's it. Never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyo yan. I'll see you in my next video and bye for now.